Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're looking at a Timex watch. Haven't looked at one of these for a while. And the reason I'm looking at this specific model is because I was having a discussion with someone in the comments the other day about Moonphase watches. And I saw this on Amazon. I thought, go on then, let's have a little review of this. So today we're actually going to be looking at the Timex Marlin watch. So initially look at the box. We've obviously got this sealed up outside cover here. So I'm just going to remove this. Got this from Amazon, so this will be how it arrives. Simple, glossy outside cover. It reveals a nice, lightweight box with a simple lift-off lid. Nice grey touch going all around the sides here. Inside got this sort of industrial waste style packaging inside here. Surrounds the whole box, whole cushion. Inside you've got a nice sort of cobalt sort of style grey cushion. Very functional, simple and elegant. So turn that off. I'll look and see a bit better. I'm going to shut this. Don't know if that's helped. Let's see if that helps. That looks a little better. So here we go, guys. This is the Timex Marlin Moonphase 40mm. Sorry, this light's not very good. Let's do it like that. So you've got 40mm case diameter with a 12mm case thickness. Quite a thick bit of glass on top there. Costs me about £110 on Amazon. Probably weighs around about 50 grams. And uses a M247 quartz movement. That's according to watch.co.uk. So let's have a look at the face. So the face is a sunray style navy blue finish to the face. It's quite dark in the actual pictures that you see on Amazon. It's obviously going for the full complication style finish to the watch. So looking at the top, you've got the first sub-dial at the top here. You've got the date function. You've also got the day, and you've got the month function on here. So it's going for a bit more of a sort of a complicated style look to it, yet keeping its elegance. It's quite light for a complication watch. And obviously you've got the Moonphase watch, the Moonphase part of the watch down here, but I'm not sure if that's a Moonphase or if it's actually a day and night tracker, but we can have a look at that in a minute. So we've got this full sort of dome effect going across the actual glass. This is called plexi mineral glass. It's that's according to specs. Offers a 5-bar water resistance. This is actually part of their 2024 new release range. So let's have a look at the crown first, see what that does. Remove this little bit of plastic on here. Sorry, I hadn't spotted it before. It did look a little bit grubby. Got a nice amount of feedback to the crown. It feels strong in the hands, which is good. Let's take that pin out and have a look. Push down. Nice firm push down as well. Doesn't feel cheap. It's nice stainless steel seconds hand there. So you've got a crown that operates the Moonphase as well as the date function. And then you've got that chronograph button that operates on the month. Now I imagine you have to wind that clock round to get the actual days to change. That's what I'm assuming. Let's have a little look. yeah, and that is actually a Moonphase down the bottom there. You can see it's it operates not as a day and night tracker, which is good. So it's a decent amount of watch for £110. So come down to the strap. You've got a 20mm star strap. It's a cheap style. I think it's leather with this sort of jet black finish on top of it. Really, really glossy. Simple line finish gone all the way down the side. Plain mirror finish on the actual Timex part of the buckle. Single windows to hold on to the hinge of the buckle. It's a quick release strap, as you can see from these little tiny lugs on where the strap meets the actual casing. Look at the back of the actual case. It looks really, really nice because of that globe on the back there. It's just a plain print. It's not engraved or anything on there. It's got the full sort of Marlin collection on there, model number, etc., etc. Simple window, just hold on to the strap. You've got two, usually does come with two, one that holds the strap in place, it's fixed, and one that's more variable. So there you go, guys. That is the Timex Marlin Moonphase.